My dear students, I find many of you are following the traditional method to solve this particular question. Don't do so, because the paper will be lengthy in that case and you will not get time for solving all other questions of your paper. As options are given, let us try with the options how easily we can find out our answer within few seconds. For that, let us go through the question first and understand what is given in the question. Here it is given what is the sum of the digits. You need to find the sum of the digits of the least number or the smallest number, which when divided by 16, 10, 12 and 27 leaves remainder 9 in each case. So let us assume that x to be the smallest number. If we divide x by 16, 10, 12 or 27, whatever we are dividing with, from all these four numbers, you will get 9 as the remainder in each case. You will be left with 9 and is divisible by 13, and this x is completely divisible by 13. So you are asked to find out the sum of the digits of x. Now just look at this particular statement. If we divide by all these four numbers, you will be left with 9 as the remainder. Here this 27 is a multiple of 9, that is 9 into 3, 27. Now understand very carefully. If we subtract 9, the number will be divisible by 27, that is the least number. That means if from x we subtract 9, whatever you will get over here, this number will be definitely divisible by all these four numbers, and particularly 27, which is 9 into 3. So this particular number will be divisible by 9 and 3 also, because these are the factors of 27. That means this answer will be divisible by 9 as well. Now here the answer what is given is the sum of the digit of this x. So these are the options. One of the options is going to be your answer. And one most important thing that you should know, that is the divisibility rule of 9. That is, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit of that particular number is divisible by 9. So here sum of the digits are given. So from here you need to subtract 9. Whatever you will get, that must be divisible by 9. So let us see from which option. If we subtract 9, whatever we will get, that will be divisible by 9 as well. So here you are getting 10, here you are getting 6, here you are getting 7, and here you are getting 9. So this option, that is the digit sum what you are getting after subtracting 9, is divisible by 9. So option number 4 is going to be your correct answer. So this is the trick that if you apply in the exam, within seconds you can find out the answer. So my dear students, if you find the content of this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And to get notification of newly uploaded important contents of our channel, you need to click on the bell icon. See you in the next video with new important concept. Till then, keep practicing, keep improving.